My name is Kris Chana. I built 3 businesses from scratch in senior care, but I know there's so much more. As a child, I was always more interested in business, aviation, and automobiles. From a young age, I knew I was destined to do something great, but I didn't know what it was. In 2010, my buddy Eric and I pursued the great wide world of insurance and financial services. That lasted 3 days, and it wasn't for me. A year later, I took a risk in a field I didn't know anything about in hopes of pursuing that entrepreneurial journey. Who would have ever thought a 23-year-old kid's dream would be to open an assisted living facility and live in it? I sold my wife on big dreams and a bright future. It was not all what I expected. I was the cook, I was the caregiver, the maid, the handyman, head of transportation, and the director of sales and marketing. I was broke, depressed, and disappointed. However, I still had a dream, but I couldn't give up on it now. I had to learn to become a leader, build processes, and develop a team. 10 years later, I still felt like a failure, even though we had 3 different businesses, $3+ million in revenue, over 50 team members, and a great reputation. Deep down, I still felt like there was something much bigger, something that would be more helpful to more people. In 2019, Patrick Bet-David told me to pick one thing and focus all of my energy in just that one thing. So I had a tough decision to make. It was time to sell the assisted living facility and go all in on adult daycare. Adult daycare is the future of senior care. It gives seniors a sense of purpose and helps them live a meaningful life. It gives their families reassurance that their loved one is in a safe place and having the time of their lives. But throughout this entire experience, I realized it took me 10 years to find my purpose. But now I get to spend the next 10 years pursuing it.